Save money on your electric bill by flipping one switch in your home this winter. Meteorologist Robert Speta explains.
As we head into our colder months of the year, there's something that you should know, a little bit of science behind it about changing your seasonal settings here on your fans. Do remember that cold air sinks, right? So as we go ahead through the summer, typically you have your fans set to rotate counterclockwise, and that's going to be pushing air down, keeping you cool down near the surface. But with that cold air sinking, if you do that during the winter, it's just going to keep the cold air down near the surface, basically there. If you turn it around, and most fans have that reverse setting, it pulls it up and pushes your hot air down towards the ground, and it helps you save a little bit of energy. Because do remember, as we go ahead through those winter months, I know during the summer, yeah, the AC's running and you have to use a lot of energy. Around 60 to 70 degrees, most households back off just a bit, but then once we get into those colder mornings, you turn that heater on and it does run up your electric bill just a bit. So something to just remember and save you a little money here with a little bit of science, I suppose. I'm meteorologist Robert Speta.